they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Know we've been together for a minute, but it's kind of been forever since we've been in the kind of situation not involving other women. And it's pretty obvious that you kind of tripping. Like, who the hell is this bitch looking at hot mess? Would you fell for this chick? You know we got problems and you fail to fix it. I'm like, you need to